Hello guys, welcome back. So now I'll be going for Pokemon Masters Battle Villa Hall 29, which will be challenging Shontal. It will consist of water, ground and fairy type event. This will be my lineup for the game. I'll just start right away. So the game is loading right now. Let's see if it's any I can be any good here. So the game has started. So first move, the match is too much fun. A jump start and a special attack all will follow with an earthquake and a thunderbolt, I guess, and another special attack all will follow here. So I'm just waiting for the damage. The bite was strong enough, so let's see what we can do here. That was a good move. I'll start with an earthquake again. Let's see, a jump start will follow here. Then that cannot move, Serperior cannot move, so I'll just be back to Garchomp here and I'll just see what we can do. I'll be using X attack, then I'll be using my sync move. Potion is required here to Serperior. Then I'll be using my sync move, so it's part of the plan. I'll be using it now. Another potion was required, so on Rapidash it is used, and I don't think so it has died here. Now I'll be using an earthquake and a thunderbolt will follow along with an energy ball on Nidoqueen. That is, I think, yes, it is Nidoqueen. So another earthquake is in line, and I'm just waiting for Totodile sync move. So let's see its power. I should have hit on Aurora, but I hit it here. That was wrong of me, I think. So that was a nice move here, guys. Just you be using slash now. That was strong enough. Another time to energize will follow now. So let's see what we can do here. And thunderbolt is in line already. I'll be using earthquake now. So let's see its powers. I might have killed it. No, a little bit is left, but still we can do it. So let's see its power. I think it is enough now. So only Totodile is left. I'll just kill it and try for some other Pokemon at the back. That is Shontal. So earthquake, I think it might just be enough. Yes, it is. Now thunderbolt will follow along with an earthquake. So let's see its power. Be using another thunderbolt, and after that some attacks will follow. Be using X attack first. Pikachu can take 2 more attacks now, so it can definitely take 1 more, and I think 2 more attacks can follow Pikachu. This is Will-O-Wisp, so another attack can follow after this. Shadow Ball, I can get it an earthquake again. I want to use the sync move definitely here. So another attack can follow, I think. Yes, it can. I will be using the jump start. No, I didn't. I just used an earthquake there. And after that I'll be using the sync move now. Let's see. So here it is. My sync move is here. I want to use 2 more earthquakes to kill it finally. It will be strong enough, I guess. So an earthquake is back here, and its sync move is here. We won't survive this. So this will be all, I think, guys. I'm not pretty sure about it, but I think this will be enough for the game. Yes. So a little bit of power is left of Shontal. and we have been defeated here. So let's see what else can we do. So now I'll be continuing the game here with a different kind of lineup, that is this one, Eevee, Charizard and Victory Bell. And let's see its powers now. So we are starting from Sleep Powder, Victory Bell I think, and then I'll be using, so it is successful. That is a really nice thing to do. The Blast Burn will follow, so along with the next speed, so that was good one. A Tackle will follow here, so I'll be just queuing up for Sleep Powder. If it wakes up, and it has woken up, another Sleep Powder will follow. Let's see its power now. So it is another successful move, so that was nice. I'll just have to be using a potion here. A Tackle and another Sleep Powder will follow, and then I'll be using my sync move of Charizard. It will evolve to Mega Form, another Sleep Powder successful one. So this time we have been going at it really nice. Now I'll be using my Blast Burn, then I'll be using Let's Go. I think no, Heat Wave is here, and I'll be using Let's Go in successive sessions. So I think another Sleep Powder has to follow here. If this one is successful, we can finally defeat it, I think. Just need one more, and yes, another successful Sleep Powder. So you don't get 4 in 4, I guess. That's another good one, and we have finally defeated it. So Chandelier is dead. So we'll just be seeing the completion rewards, guys. I guess we'll get Chewy Lucky Cookie 3-star. So we get Chewy Lucky Cookie 3-star twice. So that, hello guys, welcome back.